I-ANC Women's League isebenzisa imizuzu engu-67 yosuku lukaMandela ngokutshala isipinashi nekabishi e-Ikageng Center eSoweto nokuyikhala ezintandane.
This was an appropriate project to come and see how Ikageng itself is a meaningful word for this center, where people are collaborating to build themselves. So the same principle that Tata Madiba, whom we are remembering on this day, used to tell us, how it is that we help one another.
Usihlalo webhodi lesikhungo uthi lo mnikelo we-ANC Women's League uzobasiza kakhulu.
Will definitely go a long way, and of course planting of trees and it's food security that's very important, because on a monthly basis we give about 100 food parcels to our beneficiaries, so that will of course ensure that we are self-sustainable ourselves going forward.
UPhiko lwabesifazane luthathe lo mbungazo lawusa kuzo zonke izifundazwe zakuleli ngethemba lokubuyisa nokwakha kabusha isithunzi somuntu ikakhulukazi abesifazane nezingane.